Yes, hi everyone. So welcome back to Power Systems 2 online series. I hope in previous class we started the fifth unit. Previous classes we started the fifth unit. So now it is the time to discuss the one of the important topic of power systems. So which is called Corona, because nowadays we observe the word of Corona very well. So nowadays the corona plays very important role in our daily life. But it is not the corona. It is not the topic of corona as we face the problem, but it is electrical corona. Yes, what do you mean by electrical corona? So today let us we discuss what do you mean by electrical corona and why it happens and when it happens and what are the various conditions for corona, and next one is what are the various factors affecting corona, and after that if time permits we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of corona. Advantages and disadvantages of corona. So we'll discuss all these things today if the time permits. And the first one is, so what is corona? Yes, what is corona? Yeah, the spelling is Corona. Corona. Yes, what is corona? Yeah, corona in the sense, suppose for example, I have the two conductors like this. This is one conductor, and here it is one more conductor. Okay, and we know that when the conductor is carrying the current, and when conductor is said to be excited with some applied voltage, then what happened in the sense, so here between neutral and conductor and between the two conductor, electric field is present. Electric field is present, but this electric field is not harmful to the human beings. But if suppose in the place of electric field, if we have the magnetic field, so then we may have some problems. The human beings will suffer with the magnetic field, but there is no problem with electric field. And as so far as so as between the conductor and ground you have the electric field, and between the conductor and another conductor you have the electric field. And this electric field under the normal condition, for this electric field the air act as the insulating medium. Air act as the insulating medium. If suppose if we increase the voltage between the two conductors, or if the voltage carried by the conductor is increased, so then what happened in the sense, at particular voltage, so you can observe some hissing noise around the conductor. You can observe some hissing noise with violet glow so around the conductor. Such phenomenon is called corona. Such phenomenon is called corona. So here, when an alternating potential difference is applied across two conductors and whose spacing is large in comparison with their diameters, then the atmospheric air surrounding the conductors is subjected to the electrostatic stresses. At low voltage, there is no change in the condition of atmospheric air around the conductors. However, when the potential difference is gradually increased, a stage arrives when a faint luminous glow of violet color appears together with a hissing noise. That phenomenon is called visual corona. The same thing I expressed. That phenomenon is called visual corona. So to get corona, our requirement is the spacing between the two conductors, that must be somewhat reasonable. And next one is the applied voltage is huge, so then we can expect the phenomenon of corona. And generally, how much voltage in the sense it is greater than or equal to 100 kilometers in practical. 100 kilometers in practical. And moreover, when corona occurs, the air ionized, so and it becomes the ozone. That means it can produce the ozone also, can produce the ozone also. So these are the symptoms of the corona. These are the symptoms of the corona. Yes, what are the symptoms? The first one is violet glow around the conductor. Next, second one is hissing noise, and third one is ozone is produced by the conductor, or ozone is produced from the atmosphere, so which is surrounded or which is surrounds the conductor. Yes, this is one thing. And another one is, if suppose if the conductors are perfectly uniform and smooth, the glow will be uniform throughout the length of the conductor. Yes, what is this in the sense? If suppose the conductor is smooth, when we can expect the smooth in the sense, suppose two or three conductors are there, two or three conductors, that is, this is one conductor, this is one conductor, like another conductor. Yeah, this type of conductors are called stranded conductor. Already we discussed stranded conductor. And here, whether the surface is smooth or whether the surface is uniform, no, it is not uniform. You can observe. Is it uniform? No, it is not uniform. Yeah, this is in the case of stranded conductor. And if you take the solid conductor in the sense, this is the solid conductor. Solid conductor in the sense, we can take single conductor. Single conductor. Suppose, so in which conductors that is the uniform and smooth in the sense, the single conductor or solid conductors or single conductors are smooth. Yes, these are smooth, and we can say perfectly uniform and smooth. So then the glow is also uniform. The glow is also uniform throughout the length of the conductor. If suppose the surface of the conductor is not uniform, is not smooth, rough points are there, then the glow will be brighter. The glow will be brighter. Yes, once again I am repeating the statement. Yes, what is that in the sense? So when the conductor surface is smooth, then the glow is uniform throughout the length of the conductor. Next, second statement. When the conductor surface is rough at some points, rough at some point. So wherever the conductor surface is rough, so at such points, so you can observe, so the glow is bright. It will glow brightly. So like that, the corona effect is more in the case of rough surface of the conductor, and the corona effect is less in the case of smooth surface of the conductor. Smooth surface of the conductor. And moreover, if suppose the spacing between the conductor is not very large as compared with their diameter, that's generally 15 times of the diameter, the corona may be bridge the conductors and cause flashover before any luminous glow is observed. Yes, what is that in the sense? If suppose I have the two conductors, this is one conductor and this is another conductor. So let me assume the diameter of the conductor is small d. diameter of the conductor is small d, and the spacing between the two conductors is capital D. Spacing between the two conductors is capital D. When capital D is less than or equal to 15 times of small d, capital D is less than or equal to 15 times of the small d. So then the corona will bridges the two conductors. The corona will bridges the two conductors, which cause to occur the flashover. Should cause to occur the flash over. So generally, so nowadays also, so the corona, that means social distancing is very very important. If we are not maintaining the social distancing, then what is the result? Yes, what is the result? The result is, so we are affected by the corona. We will be affected by the corona. So therefore we must, we must obey the social distancing, or we must follow the social distancing. If we follow the social distancing, that is we must that is the distance between any two bodies must be minimum 3 feet. So then there is no effect of corona on us according to our ICMR, all those things. Okay, so here what happened? So when we get the corona, when the spacing between the two conductors is less than or equal to 15 times of the diameter of the conductor, so then there is a bridge between the two conductors. There is bridge between two conductors. Okay, it happens due to the fact that the distance between the conductors being smaller, and there is no time for the glow to occur. No time for the glow to occur. And in the case of EHV AC transmission lines, EHV in the sense extra high voltage AC transmission line, extra high voltage AC transmission line, then what happened? The visual glow of corona is mostly uniform about both the conductors. That means, so in the case of EHV AC, this is two conductor. Yes, so how the corona, that is the violet glow, how the glow is there on this conductor 1, the same glow we can expect for conductor 2 also. This is for EHVAC. EHVAC. But it is not like that in the case of HVDC. HVDC in the sense high voltage DC transmission. This is, let us we assume this is positive conductor, and here it is negative. Positive and negative, and the glow is uniform and brighter about positive conductor. So here it is, glow is brighter and it is uniform in the case of positive, brighter and uniform, brighter and uniform for the positive. But whereas in the case of negative, so it is spotty about the negative conductor, that is the glow is spotty. Spotty in the sense, so wherever the effect is there, so there only you can observe the corona phenomenon. Otherwise there is no corona in the case of DC, that is the negative conductor. Okay, so like that we have for HVDC and HVAC, HVDC and HVAC. Okay, next, and one more thing is yes, one more thing is the corona is accompanied by a loss of energy which increases very rapidly once the visual critical voltage is exceeded. Suppose, for example, let us we assume these are the two conductors and the corona will be happen at 100 kilovolts. At 100 kilovolts, that means when the voltage exceeds 99.9 kilovolts, 99.9 kilovolts. So then we have the corona. Then we have the effect of corona. And if suppose the voltage is less than or equal to 99.9, then there is no effect of corona. So therefore this 99.9 kilovolts is called critical visual voltage. Critical visual voltage. That's critical visual voltage. So the power loss due to the corona heavily depends on weather condition. During the humid and moist climate, the corona loss is much increased. The corona loss is much increased. So when we have the corona loss occur when the voltage increases or voltage exceeds visual critical voltage. This is point number 1. And second one is the corona loss, that is the power loss. The power loss, it is heavily depending on the weather condition, that is during the humid climate and moist climate. Humid climate and moist climate, the effect of corona is more. The effect of corona is more. Effect of corona is more, and much amount of energy will be wasted. Much amount of energy is wasted. So during this climate, okay, the energy loss accompanied by the phenomenon so is dissipated in the form of light, heat, sound, and chemical action. So we are saying that due to corona some amount of energy is wasted. The power loss is occurred, energy loss is occurred. So how it is, in the sense the energy is dissipated in the form of either light or heat or sound or chemical action or both. So in case of AC system, the current due to the corona will be non-sinusoidal. As well as in the case of AC system, the potential, that is electric potential due to the corona is non-sinusoidal. Voltage and current both are non-sinusoidal due to the effect of corona. So these are the few things you need to remember from the corona point of view. Yes, what are the important points? Yes, what are the important points? Yes, you need to remember all these things. Yes, the first one is, yes, a violet glow is observed around the conductor. A violet glow. Yes, violet glow is observed around the conductor. And the second important point is it produces a hissing noise. It produces hissing noise. And third important point is it produces ozone. I think it is O3. I think so. Produces ozone. Next, fourth important point we discuss up to now is yes, that is the glow is maximum over rough and dirty surface of the conductor. That is, glow is maximum over rough and dirty surface of the conductor. Rough and dirty surface of the conductor. Next, one of the important point is the corona cause power loss. The fifth one is corona cause power loss. Corona cause power loss. Yes, so how the corona cause power loss? That means during the corona, energy is dissipated in the form of light, heat, sound, and chemical action. Okay? Yes. Next, another important one is the charging current under corona condition increases. The charging current under corona condition is increased because the corona induces the harmonic currents. As the corona induces the harmonics in the sense disturbances. Harmonics in the sense disturbances. So this corona causes disturbance, and this disturbance causes increasing in charging currents. Increasing in charging currents. Yes, these are the few things you need to remember from the corona. Yes, okay. Yes, the next topic is, keep side heading, factors affecting corona. Factors affecting corona. Yes, what are the various factors affecting the corona? The first one is atmosphere, and second one is conductor, and third one is spacing between conductors, and fourth one is line voltage. Yes, what are the various parameters, various factors? First one is atmosphere, second one is conductor, that is the nature of conductor, and the third one is spacing between the conductors, and fourth one is line voltage. Fourth one is line voltage. Now how it is affected? Yes, how it is affected by all these parameters, all these factors. So let us see one by one. Yeah, the first one is atmosphere. Yes, atmosphere. And as per the standard textbooks, they used to say the corona is caused by the bombardment of molecules with subsequent dislodging of electrons by the ionized particles. Yes, that means, so directly, simply you can say the corona occurs due to the ionization of the air surrounding the line conductors. Directly you can write like this. Okay, that is, here he has given the very heavy statement. What is that? In the sense, corona is caused by the bombardment of molecules with the subsequent dislodging of electrons by the ionized particles. Yes, this you can write directly as the corona occurs due to the ionization of the air surrounding the line conductors. Yes, the corona will thus affected by the physical state of atmosphere. The voltage gradient in the sense G, like that you can represent, or delta V, like that you can represent. Delta V. This is also potential gradient. And potential gradient, negative potential gradient is electric field intensity. Negative potential gradient is electric field intensity. So here the potential gradient for the breakdown of air is proportional to its density. Proportional to its density. Yes, that is once the breakdown is started. Once the breakdown is started, and that breakdown is directly proportional to density of the air. Density of the air. And moreover, in the stormy weather, the number of ions may be more than normal, and as such the corona may occur at much less voltage compared with the fair weather. That is under the for stormy weather. STORMY, stormy weather. The corona occur at low voltages itself. Corona occurs at low voltages itself. For stormy atmosphere, the corona occurs low voltage compared with the fair weather. Okay, this is how the atmosphere is one of the great factor which affects the corona. Under this, what you will learn? The first one is the corona occurs due to the ionization of the air surrounding the line conductor. Okay, next. The second one is the voltage gradient for breakdown of air is proportional to its density. Proportional to its density. And the third one is stormy condition, stormy weather. Stormy weather. The corona may occur at a much less voltage compared with fair weather. Compare with fair weather. So these are the three things you need to remember from the factor of atmosphere. Yes. Next, second factor is conductor. Yes, so now you tell me how the conductor affects the corona. How the conductor affects the corona. Just you tell me how the conductor affects the corona. Yeah, there are three things for the conductor. What are three things? The first one is size of the conductor, and second one is shape of the conductor, and third one is surface condition of the conductor. Surface condition of the conductor. Surface condition of the conductor. Yes, now let me know what do you mean by size. Size in the sense you can say diameter. Size in the sense you can say diameter. And the shape in the sense it may be stranded conductor or solid conductor. Stranded conductor or solid conductor. And surface condition in the sense dirty or rough or clean. What is I can write? Dirty or clean. Dirty or clean. Yeah, the dirty or clean. Okay, so these are the three things which affects. These are three things of the conductor, so which affects the corona. Yes, we know that the corona decreases with increase in diameter of the conductor. The corona decreases with the increase in diameter of the conductor. So I will give you the mathematical expression. So why it is so? And a stranded conductor gives rise to more corona than a solid conductor. I have given the proof for this. Yes, what is that in the sense? Because in the case of stranded conductors, so how the stranded conductors are there? The stranded conductors in the sense, yes, like this. That means the surface of the stranded conductor is not smooth. It may be rough. And not uniform. It is not uniform. Therefore, we can expect more corona. In the case of stranded conductor. And for solid conductor, the effect of corona is less. And for stranded conductors, the shape of cross section is a series arcs of circles, each of smaller diameter than the conductor as a whole. The potential gradient for such a conductor will therefore be greater than the equivalent smooth conductor. So the breakdown voltage for such a conductor will be somewhat less than for a smooth conductor. If I want to compare the corona effect for both solid and stranded conductor, solid and stranded conductor, the ratio being 0.882 unity, 0.882 unity. Okay, and the effect of dirt, the effect of dirt on the surface is to increase the irregularity and thereby decreasing the breakdown voltage further. An average value of the ratio when both stranding and dirt are taken into account lies between 0.85 to 1. That is, this is only for the stranded, and this is stranded conductor along with the dirt, stranded conductor along with the dirt. So this is the second one. Yes, so how the conductor effects in the sense, you need to remember the size of the conductor, next shape of the conductor, and the surface condition of the conductor. You can write on your own, okay, in the examinations. Next, the third one is the spacing between the conductor. Spacing between conductors. Already you have some idea regarding this. Tell me, so how it is? So when capital D is less than or equal to 15 times of small d, then you have the corona, and then you have the bridge between the two conductors. Bridge between the two conductors. That is, the corona will bridges the two conductors. And generally, with the increasing spacing between the conductors, the electrostatic stresses are reduced, and therefore the corona effect is also reduced. If spacing between the conductors is made very large as compared with their diameters, so there may not be any corona effect. There may not be any corona effect. So this is how you need to remember regarding to spacing between the two conductors. Yes, next. Yes, what is the next one? The line voltage. Yes, line voltage. Yes, line voltage. Line voltage in the sense, the line voltage largely affects the corona. At low voltage there is no corona effect, but when the line voltage is increased to such a value that electrostatic stresses develop at the conductor surface make the atmospheric air surrounding the conductor conducting, corona effect appears. Okay, so we know that at low voltage there is no effect of corona, but when voltages are high, that is when we increase the voltage for the conductors, obviously we can expect the effect of corona. These are the few things you can remember. That is the factors affecting the corona. Yes, once again, so let me conclude today's class. Yeah, today we discuss about corona introduction. So in the introduction, so you observe the 6 points. What are the 6 points? The corona conclusion. What is the corona conclusion? The first one is the violet glow is observed around the conductor, and the second one is the corona produces hissing noise, and third one is corona produces ozone. Corona produces ozone, and fourth one is, so the glow is maximum over rough and dirty surfaces of the conductor. Rough and dirty surfaces of the conductor. And fifth one is, it is accompanied by the power loss. It is accompanied by the power loss. Power loss in the sense, energy will be dissipated in the form of light or heat, and sound, chemical action, like that. Okay, and the next one is the charging current under the corona condition increases because the corona induces the harmonic currents. Thus, these are the 6 points. So we observed in the introduction. Thus, if you know the 6 points, you can write anything on your own based on the 6 points. Then, what are the factors affecting the corona? The factors affecting the corona in the sense, the first one is atmosphere, atmosphere, and second one is conductor, and third one is spacing between conductors, spacing between conductors, and fourth one is line voltage. Fourth one is line voltage. I hope you got some knowledge about corona. So thank you for listening the class, and thank you for attending the class. Stay home, stay safe. So take precautions while you are going to the outside, and thank you. Have a good day.